Be sure to read and follow the safety guidelines to protect your computer from potential damage and ensure your personal safety. For more information about safety guidelines, see the owner's manual at dell.com/support. Before you begin, turn off the computer and disconnect all the attached peripherals.
To remove the SSD, flip the laptop over, loosen the screws on the base cover, and gently pry it off using a plastic tool. Lift the cover away. First, disconnect the battery cable and remove the screws holding the battery in place. Lift the battery out of the system. Next, locate the SSD highlighted in blue. Remove the screws securing the SSD to the system. Gently slide the SSD out of the slot and lift it away. To reinstall the SSD, align the notch on the SSD with the tab in the slot. Slide the SSD into the slot until it is firmly in place. Secure it by tightening the screw. Now, put the battery back, secure it with the screws, and reconnect the battery cable. Finally, snap the base cover back into place and tighten the screws to finish.
For more information about your Dell system, visit dell.com/support.